Hi! So today, ang gagawin natin is i-demonstrate ko yung bed making, which is an occupied patient. So first, I will gather the all equipment that I need. So meron tayo dito malinis na bottom sheet, underpads, draw sheet, top sheet, pillowcase, and lastly, yung pillow. After that, I will do hand hygiene. So, kuha muna ang alcohol. Yan. Makapag-hand hygiene na ako. After that, bababa ko yung mga side drills. Imagine na may side drills na lang to. Pero wala naman kami, hospital bed. And kung gusto nyo itaas yung bed, itaas nyo. Gamit yung pagtaas. Yan. Assume nyo na lang. After nun, mag-gloves ako. Aha, Kuya Kim. Ano na? So, after putting on sterile gloves, una po natin lalagay yung bottom sheets. Then, ipo-fold ko po ito. Open pala. Next kung gagawin ko is itatap ko na. So after kumatap yung baba papuntang taas, gagawa ko ng cuff. Next po is yung underpads. Papasok mo po siya sa ilalim mo. Yan. Next is yung draw sheets. Then, itatap ko po. Next po is yung top sheet. After nun, ipo-fold ko. Ay, o-open ko pala. Then, fold ko ulit, pabalik. Tap mo po lahat ng excess na. Ako, magkagawa na po ako ng cuff. So next po is, kukunin ko po yung bottom sheets. So next po is, gagawin ko lang po yung ginawa ko doon sa kabila. First yung bottom sheet. Then next po yung underpads. Ayan. Next is yung draw sheet. Piliin nyo lang pong smooth. Next is yung sheet. Then make and cough. Next one is yung pillowcase. Avoid shaking. Then yung pillow. Good day, I am John Mikael Vidases, your student nurse for today. So today I will demonstrate the proper bed making with occupied patient. So first, I will check the chart of the patient to ensure the patient safety. Next is, after checking the patient chart, I will gather the all equipment that I need. So we have here pillow, top sheet, and bottom sheet, drawer sheet, pillowcase, then pillow, then the top sheet. So now I will do hand hygiene. Then I will work, susuot po ako ng gloves. Then I will close the curtain. Gising na po. Sir, good day. I am John Mikael Vidases, your student nurse for today. May I have your wristband? Sir, please state your name, slow your date of birth. Your date of birth. Thank you, sir. So today, sir, I will change your linens for your cleanliness and your comfortability. Okay. So, sir, taas po yung side rails. Nakaas. Imagine nyo na lang po na may side rails, yung high. Alright. Then, pillow. Sir, tayo po kayo. So, next po is, I will loosen all the linens. Then, I will fold it. Fold ko na siya. Sir, slide po natin yung kulay mo. After folding it po, lalagay ko na po yung bottom sheet. Sa sahig. Yun. Pero sa hospital, bawal po dumikit sa sahig. Sa floor. Next po yung draw sheet. Underpads. not pillowcase. Prepare the pillowcase, then side nails. Sir, lipat na po kayo sa kabila. Lipat, doon na. Ayan. Oh, down. Expose. Let's. Oh, loosen ko po. Loosen. Advance. Sir, gilid ka lang. Next po is yung drop shoes. Sir, pwede ka lang po ganito makuha. Half sheet po. So after ko lang, nakakalaga ng gloves. Expose. And that's it.